Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we're going to learn more about our planet Earth. So last class we learned about Earth, so let's review what we learned. What is Earth? Earth is our home. Earth is a planet. Earth is not alone. Earth has 7 other neighbor planets. And it has one star, which is called the sun, and we have one moon. So, Earth is very big, like really, really big. Because it's so big, it has many different types of nature. Look at here, like in Thailand. Look at here. Wow, so beautiful. Look at here. Mountains, green areas, aurora lights, beaches, deserts. Oceans, all of these on one planet because our planet is very, very big. And because it's so big, it has many different types of living things. Because it has many different types of habitats. Look at all these different habitats. It means that all of these have different types of living things. Now, 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water. 70%. That's a lot. That's more than half. And it's the only planet with life. Shiwit. It's the only planet with life. So we must take care of Earth. Now, when you look at the sky, you see the sun. Oh, so bright. It looks small, right? Let's zoom in the sun. Whoa, so beautiful. This is the sun. This is how the sun looks. It doesn't look that big. It looks the same size as moon, right? But no. Look at this. This is the Earth compared to the sun. The sun is so big. And guys, this is not the real distance, okay? Earth is so much further away. Earth is not this close. If we are this close, we will burn. So this is not the real distance. Earth is so much further away. But just understand that Earth is very small compared to the sun. The sun is very large. Now, when we look at the sky at night or sometimes in the day, we see the moon. Earth has one moon. Let's see how it looks. Oh, wow, so beautiful. The moon, when you look at the sky, it's the same size as the sun, right? But no, in reality, moon is quite small, even smaller than Earth. Now, in movies, they show, Earth is so close to the moon, right? But no, the moon is actually very far from Earth, like this far. This is the actual distance. So if this is Earth, the moon is all the way here. So it's quite far from our planet. Okay, so today's lesson is about directions. Okay, it's about direction. So as I said, today's lesson is about directions. Now we see in this picture that we have north, south, east, and west. So let's learn what they are. See, this is the Earth, right? So we're going to learn the directions based on our planet. Now you may be wondering, hey, why do we need Earth to know the directions? Now, guys, to tell the directions, we can use something called a compass. A compass. This is a compass. It comes in all different types and shapes, but they do the same thing. This thing, the red part, always shows the north. Now we're going to learn what the north is, but this always shows north. Now, a compass shows the 4 cardinal directions. Now we're going to learn what the 4 cardinal directions are. So, listen carefully. This is the Earth. The very top of the Earth is where? North is? North or just N? N-O-R-T-H, north. So the very top of Earth is north. Now, the very bottom of the Earth is where south is. South. South. So this is the bottom of the Earth, and we call it south, or just S. So we have north and south. North and south. So this is how it looks. Anything directing up is north, and everything directing south down is south. So if this is the Earth, right? Imagine this globe is Earth. If you do like this to see the north, this is how Earth looks from the north. And if you take the ball and you do this, you see the bottom part, you see the south, this is how it looks. So this is from the north and this is from the south. So imagine again, this is the globe. You turn it this way, this is the north. This is how it looks. And if you spin the ball back to normal and then zoop, this is the south. This is how it looks. Now, let's learn about east, which means right, and west, which means left. So if you're anywhere on Earth and you point to the right, considering north and south, is called east. East, which is E, east. And anywhere pointing at left, considering north and south, is west. West, or left. So we have east and west. So this is east and this is west. So let's see all of them together. North, south, east, and west. North, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Sing with me. North, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Very good. So, north of the Earth is the top of the Earth. South of the Earth is the bottom of the Earth. And east is to the right. And west is to the left. We can just write it like this. We can just write N as in north, S as in south, E as in east, W as in west. Now, you're wondering, oh my God, teacher, what is this? But don't worry, it's very easy. Remember, north, south, east, west. Now, if you draw a line, for example, between north and east, we call it northeast. Just combine the two words, northeast. If you draw a line between north and west, we call it northwest. Now, if you draw a line between south and east like this, we call it southeast. If you draw a line the same way in between south and west, we call it southwest. Okay? Or you can just write it like this. North, south, east, west. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Easy. Now this time, I want you to repeat after me, okay? Repeat after me. North, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Very good. Good job. Now, remember a compass? This is a compass, right? Remember, this is always showing the north. So, for example, if you put this on Earth, if you hold it anywhere, it's going to point at the north. So, if you want to fix this, you have to turn your compass. So, this little thing shows the N. It means now it's showing north, south, east, west correctly. So this is how you use a compass. Now, if we open Earth's surface, if we open it like whoop, like this, we get the world map. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. See the map with all the countries. Can you find Thailand? This is Thailand. This one, zoop. The green one, zoop. That is Thailand. So north, south, east, west. Now, if this is the center, let's say this is the center. Thailand is not in south. It's not in east, but it's in southeast. Southeast, right? Cool. So, some countries got their name because of cardinal directions. What does that mean? For example, look at these two Koreas. We have the North Korea, it's the Korea in the north, and we have the South Korea, which is in the south, right? Or we even have continents that got their name because of cardinal directions. So look at here. This is North America, and this is South America. We call this North America because it's closer to north. And we call this South America because it's closer to south. Now, let me ask you a question. North Korea is to the blah 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 of South Korea. So imagine you're in South Korea. Where is North Korea? Is it in south of South Korea? Is it in east of South Korea? Is it in west of South Korea? Or is it in north of South Korea? You are correct. It's to the north of South Korea. So let me write north of South Korea. Now what about South Korea? So South Korea is to the blah 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 of North Korea. So imagine you're in North Korea. You're here. South Korea, is it in north? Is it in east? Is it in west? Or is it in south? Easy. It's in the south of North Korea. Or look at here. This is China. This is China, and this is Japan. So, imagine you're in China. Where is Japan for you? So, Japan is to the blah, blah, blah of China. So, if you're in China, imagine you're here. Imagine you are here. Where is Japan? Is Japan in the north? Is Japan in the south? Is Japan in the west? Or is it Japan in the east? Japan is in the east of China. So we write east. Very good. Now, what about China to Japan? China is to the blah, blah, blah of Japan. Imagine you are in Tokyo. Where is China? Is China north, south, east, or west? It's to your west, right? So China is to the west of Japan. Pretty easy. So let's see another one. South America is to the blah 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 of Europe. So this is Europe. Imagine you're in Europe. And this is South America. If you are in Europe, where is South America? Is it to your south? No. Is it to your east? No. In east is Asia. Is it to your north? No. Is it to your west? No, it's North America. So don't forget, we also have northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. So, South America is to the southwest of the Europe. Let me write southwest of Europe. So if you're in Europe, South America is in southwest of Europe. Now again, let's do the opposite. If you're in South America, Europe is where? It's in northeast, right? Northeast of South America. Easy. Okay, another one. Imagine you are in Africa. North America is to the blah 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 of Africa. So where is North America to you? Is it in your north? No, it's Europe. Is it your east? No, it's not to my east. Is it to my south? No, it's Antarctica. Is it to your west? Nope. Is it to your northwest? Yes, it is. It's to Africa's northwest. Now, what about North America and Africa? Imagine you are in North America. You are here. So Africa is to the blah 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 of North America. Let's see. It's pointing this way, right? And this is this one. And this is southeast. Good job. Southeast. So guys, as always, I am so proud of you. Today we learned about directions. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. Until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye everyone. See you.